Welcome back, guys, to Corn Dog Caravan. We are hiking the Snake River Landing Trail heading to the Japanese Gardens and Idaho Falls. So the Greenbelt, depending on the time of day and what day of the week, it can get pretty busy. Bikes, electric scooters, you name it, you'll see a lot on here. I'll turn the camera around and show you some of the water features here. Water is super clear. I think it's just city water though. Waterfalls. So the path itself, I think, is close to 5 miles. It runs from the tip of the Lollipop, where if you saw the video of our fireworks and our corn dog challenge at the food trucks, it starts up there and then it comes all the way down to the falls of Idaho Falls.
They call that the River Walk.
It's called the River Walk. So, haven't been down to it, so this will be a first for both us and you, if you haven't been here before. So we are staying at the Home to Suites out here, doing the rehab and all that. And this whole area is awesome. It's got small businesses, some kind of boutiques, some restaurants. This area is going to be growing tremendously, I'm sure, in the future. There's a Buffalo Wild Wings tucked in. It's pretty unique. Also, if you have the instant potato Idahoans, there's actually the corporate center is located in this little business district. So just know, if you're coming to Idaho, marijuana is not illegal medicinally or recreationally.
It's actually been nice not
And it's been nice not smelling it, especially at the fireworks display. It was really nice. You can see the gnats. Little tunnel here. But yeah, the reason why I bring up marijuana is when we came down the hill here to come down through the tunnel, we smelled some weed big time.
I think it was actually a skunk, though.
Yeah, I think it was actually a skunk. People have commented how at different parts on the trail they're like, oh, I hope I don't see a skunk. Maybe that was code word for weed. So it's almost like the Mississippi with all the crap floating in it. It's pretty big logs right there. At least there's no dead bodies in the water here. Yeah, we lived in St. Louis 20 years, so almost every other day you heard about a body being found in the water somewhere on the shore. Yeah, you don't want to swim in the Mississippi either, or the Missouri. No matter what color your bathing suit is when you get in, it's going to be brown when you get out. So there are these rental scooters all around.
Oh, that's a different brand.
It's super nice. I'll tell you, Idaho Falls has really surprised us. We've been here just at a month, and I guess it's the Parks and Recreation maybe group of the city. They really do a good job. Grass is cut, no weeds. Everything's planted. And again, the weather here obviously is a short season, so I guess when the weather's nice, people get out and they enjoy it. But yeah, they really done a good job. And Idaho Falls itself, for such, I'll say a small city, it's only like 68,000 town. Yeah, they have pretty much anything and everything that you need out of a city, restaurant wise, shopping, you know. I mean, they've got a nice mall here. I mean, it's really nice. Safety wise, I haven't seen hardly any sirens, heard any, and I will say, at least for now, somewhat boondocking friendly. I mean, even just right here, I don't know if they're boondocking, but you got a van here, and then right over here there's a camper off to the side. In the lot where we're parked with the hotel, we're in a restaurant parking lot. Now the restaurant, I think, opens tomorrow again. I don't know if they had a fire, but it was a pretty good steakhouse that missed the whole fireworks crowd, people coming into town. Sucks for them, but very boondocking friendly. Trash cans everywhere. Even at our hotel, there's a spot where you can actually plug in. I mean, all through the little area here where we're walking, there's been plug-ins. I don't know if they'll let you, but if you just needed probably a little power for a short amount of time, yeah, you can probably do it. Just in case you're wondering how far you are from where you need to go, here you go. So we've got a green space over here, and we've got elevated irrigation. I don't know if this is temporary. Sure would make cutting grass hard. You know, a lot of weed eating if they do that. Yeah, I don't know the reason. So I don't know if you can see it, but we got a huge marmot down at the water's edge.
He just popped over and popped away.
That sucker was huge.
How many person was here at some point?
So right behind me over here is the first electric power station using the water from the river to generate electricity back in 1900. And the cost, the bond issue, was $4,600. So yeah, probably still producing energy now. Not enough to run the whole city, mind you. Little minor graffiti at some point, but I haven't seen any graffiti here at all in the city. Kind of refreshing. Probably if it wasn't so cold in the winter here, we'd probably want to move here, right?
Yeah, I keep thinking, I bet the winter is horrible. But I felt like this with Chicago. I visited Chicago in August one year and it was amazing, and thought, oh, I could live here. And then we went for New Year's Eve one year and thought, no way on God's green earth would I live here.
Right.
I'm sure it's the same way here.
Oh, there's the falls.
Some falls.
Or some falls.
Actually, I think it's right over.
Lord, do I need a chiropractor or what?
There we go.
We got a spud bench here.
Tegan told me to go.
Yeah, so if you're in the area and you need a place to stay, right here near the falls, you've got La Quinta, an old round hotel. And you got a little flat here. It's a little restaurant area. And then you've got a couple other hotels down here. Best Western, True. Guys, we're going to close it out right here. Thanks for coming along with us on our I guess our hike walk along the Snake River landing, heading over to the falls. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, comment if you have any questions about my rehab or anything else. See you guys. Thanks. So we have a little bonus footage. We are at the Japanese Garden, which is on the other side of the trail. Nice little park. Yeah, our first homeless person taking a nap.